A man's life starts with a whimper and ends in the same way.
My nose has blown it in the etiquette department. Sorry.
Men are such fools.
Or a bolt of lightning that struck me in the middle of my forehead. Don't have to hire a string quartet, arrange for flowers, select a modest but saucy little wine, or...
I have an idea. Let's start a country.
Never leave home without a kiss. It's nice. If you can work in a little pat, a little bit of, you know... I'm all for that.
And soon, he is a man.
In short, when they handed out noses, I must have been at the end of the line.
Heck no. We just want to get into your sweater.
Let's start a country. We could call it Canada.